Good morning, everyone. It's Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard on May 10th, 2021. Please note that this is not financial advice. Please follow your own opinion. This is only educational and only educational. To stay up to date with my latest videos, which I do 2 a day, click the subscribe button below. If you want to subscribe to intraday updates around major market movements around NuCypher and/or my entry exit points and potential views on the NuCypher investment, you can click on that Twitter link below in the description. All right, let's get right into it. So NuCypher allocation. This is my NuCypher allocation. 100% is, I have 100% of beans in one area, and 80% of my beans are already invested in those price points. 20% of my beans are sitting in US dollars. And we're still waiting to deploy these things to NuCypher, but I can't because this stubborn area, this NuCypher Bitcoin pair, when it had hit, I should have probably picked up more. I didn't. But that being said, it was hard to say at that point what was going on. Right now, I kind of feel very comfortable in going into this trade with the remaining 20% if the NuCypher Bitcoin pair hits 700. Let's take a look over here and see what's going on. So on the NuCypher US dollar chart, yesterday after the video, we saw some wild price action. It was actually very interesting. So what I'm thinking here is that, we are still respecting the upper line, this upper red line, which represents resistance on an intermediate channel. That being said, we also have a support area, which is this encouraging horizontal yellow line. So we don't know what's going on here, but what we do know is that it is consolidating within this triangular shape in between the red line and this yellow line. Now, at the point where it actually hits the end of this line will be around May 17th. That's about a week away. But I personally think it will happen sooner. These things are meant to be, broken sooner or later. But it doesn't really matter. It's just kind of like, we know something's going to happen one way or the other. If it breaks below the yellow line, I'll be hoping to pick this thing up when NuCypher Bitcoin pair hits 700. Now, that being said, I anticipate this will continue to consolidate for the next couple of days. But we'll see how this plays out. Going over to the Bitcoin US dollar pair. As we see over here, last night's action, we came straight down, tried to hit it, just came back down again. So we're 57,871. Look, I'm not worried about this. The only thing I do get worried a little bit about is that we're like holding on to a thread. It's like holding on to a branch from 100 feet above, and you've got this kind of thing going on here. So we're climbing, we're roping our way across the jungle, and we don't know whether we're going to drop off or potentially find something to propel us further up. But right now we are kind of in indecisive land, to be honest with you. Here it doesn't know whether it wants to rejoin its friendly northerly channel up or say screw it and take a dump into the support area that I outlined below. I don't know that answer right now, but time will tell. We'll see it very soon. Onto the NuCypher Bitcoin pair, which is my other internal indicator for where I think NuCypher is going. I actually think NuCypher will continue to consolidate because the NuCypher Bitcoin pair seems to be somewhat range bound. What do I mean by that? Well, we're not going down this giant trend anymore, which is good, and we're starting to show signs of hope over here. And hope is a terrible word. 805 is not so bad. We were typically below 805 over the last few days. So it's hard to say where this will go. That being said, just my own experience here, I feel that this may either consolidate or potentially start the move higher. But, we're at 46.62. Last night, we had hit a nice high. We were at 49 and change, and I tweeted this out when I saw this thing hitting my alerts. And, it's nice to see that, it's trying to make a rally up. It failed at the resistance line. That's okay, because we'll have plenty more attempts at that, in my opinion, over the coming days. So we'll see how this thing plays out. Again, if we do break this red line, don't want to be on. We don't want to be over it for like, a couple of hours and, bang and bang. We want to be up it over this red line for a day, a half a day. I mean, we need to spend some time out of it to get out to break this trend in a proper way. But anyway, safe trading, everyone. We'll catch up later tonight. Bye.